Do you want to buy cryptocurrency quickly on MoonPay? In this video, I will show you how to add your card on MoonPay step by step so you can start buying crypto instantly and safely. Adding your card correctly ensures smooth transactions and a faster crypto buying experience. So let's go to see how it works. The thing you have to do is to go to MoonPay like this. After that, on this first page of this application, you will find it like this. So you will go to above here on settings, the sign of settings. In this list you will find here payment methods, so you will enter to payment methods. After that you will find here something called debit or credit card, so you click here on add new debit or credit card, and here in this page you have to add your card details and add your billing address, so in that way you can buy your crypto easily and safely, and then you can click on add card when you fill all the information here in this page. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.